हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल ब्रेन ट्यूटोरियल। मैं हूं आपका फ्रेंड मनीष। आज हम इस वीडियो में सॉल्व करेंगे क्लास 2 एक्चुअल एनएसओ पेपर जो कि इसी साल हुआ है। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग प्लीज़ लाइक आवर वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल इफ़ यू आर न्यू। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, study the given pattern carefully and tell the number of glasses in the pattern 5. So here you will be see pattern 1 have a 1 glass, pattern 2 have a 3 glass, pattern 3 have a 7 glass and in question ये पूछ रहे हैं पैटर्न 5 के बारे में। सो पैटर्न 1 में 3 ऐड किए हैं, देन ये 4 हो गए हैं पैटर्न 2 में, एंड पैटर्न 3 में अगेन 3 ऐड करे हैं 4 में, 7 हो गए हैं। पैटर्न 4 में अगेन 3 ऐड करेंगे तो 10 होंगे, एंड पैटर्न 5 में पूछा है तो 13 होंगे। मीन्स हर पैटर्न में दे आर एडिंग 3। सो आंसर बी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, देयर आर कर्व्ड लाइन्स इन द गिवन फिगर। सो हमको कर्व्ड लाइन सर्च करना है। सो कर्व्ड लाइन सर्कल में होती है 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6। सो टोटल 6। आंसर ए इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इफ पांडा ए एंड पांडा आर आर रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द गिवन अरेंजमेंट देन पांडा is fifth from the right hand. So panda A and R are removed, means panda A and panda are removed. Now question में fifth from the right hand. So this is the left and this is the right. So fifth from the right hand. So 1 2 3 4 and fifth ये removed हो गए हैं। So answer D P is correct. Question number 4, group the 5 paper clips each can be formed from the given paper clip. So 5 का हमको ग्रुप बनाना है इसमें। So 1 2 3 4, so total 5 का 4 ग्रुप है। आंसर सी इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, तरुण was born on next day of second Tuesday of Feb 20XX on which date was the born? So second Tuesday, next day of the second Tuesday. So सबसे पहले Tuesday and second Tuesday is, this is the first Tuesday and 12 is the second Tuesday, and next day of the second Tuesday means 13. So on Wednesday 13 is the 13 Feb is the correct answer. Answer C. Question number 6, Ria saw a non-living thing that was made from a thing that was once live. It can be. So means ऐसी कोई चीज़ नॉन लिविंग चीज़ से बनी हुई है जो कि कभी लिविंग थी once. So ये बटरफ्लाई है, ये लिविंग है, दिस इज नॉन लिविंग, एंड दिस इज द चेयर. सो चेयर इज मेड बाय वुड, एंड वुड प्लांट से मिलता है जो कि पहले लिविंग था और अभी नॉन लिविंग है. सो आंसर सी इज करेक्ट. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन that shows the same relationship as shown in the given box. So sun and rope. So sun is the natural things, natural body, and rope is man made. So हमको इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसा पेयर सर्च करना है जो कि नेचुरल और मैन मेड हो. सो एयर इज नेचुरल, टॉय इज मैन मेड. ओके, सो आंसर ए इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, सेलेक्ट द ऑड वन आउट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्लांट टाइप. सो प्लांट टाइप के बेसिस पे ऑड वन आउट, मिंट, कोरिएंडर, स्पिनच, ऑल आर वेजिटेबल्स, एंड रोज इज फ्लावर. सो आंसर सी इज करेक्ट. वी गेट सुगर फ्रॉम. सो सुगर वी गेट फ्रॉम द सुगर कैन एंड स्पेशली फ्रॉम द सुगर कैन स्टेम. सो सी आंसर इज करेक्ट. Question number 10, I am a soft organ inside the chest If I stop working, other parts of your body will not get a blood from who I am. Who am I? So blood circulatory is related to heart. So answer C is correct. Question number 11. Unscramble the given letters to find the name of the home of the animal shown in the given picture. So here the picture is horse and the name of the horse home is stable. Now you have to unscramble the word. So here you will be see STABLE. So answer A is correct. Question number 12. Fill in the blanks gives us energy to work and play. So energy, ब्रेड से एनर्जी मिलती है, शुगर से एनर्जी मिलती है, पोटैटो बिकॉज ऑल हैव दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सो सभी से एनर्जी मिलती है. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. श्रेया लिव with her parents and a younger brother in her house. She lives in an. So parents and younger brother only living in the family. So this come under the category of nuclear family. Answer C is correct. Question number 14. Oh mom, can you please turn on the AC? It is so hot today, said Riddhima. Which among the following sense organ was used by Riddhima? So she is feeling hot. Okay. So means she is having a sweating actually. Okay. So sweating is through the skin. So answer D is correct. Question number 15. You must when you see the given road sign. So here is a road sign. So always the arrow shows the straight line, and if the some vehicle is coming from the back side, so it overtake the current vehicle. So this is the not overtake. So this is cancel, means you cannot overtake the vehicle. So not overtake another vehicle. So answer C is correct. Question number 16. Which of the following correctly shows the water level when a beaker of mass is tilted? So when beaker of mass is tilted means the answer A is wrong and B is wrong, because water is a liquid and it have a flow property. So जब भी हम लोग beaker को tilt करेंगे so it will be flow. Now at the mass of the this level of the this water is constant, so हम tilt करेंगे तो water will come to the tilting side. So answer C is correct. You can check this doing the experiment in your class at your home also. Question number 17. The object shown in the given picture tells us the of moving air. So moving air के किस क्वालिटी के बारे में ये शो करता है? सो यहाँ पर आप देखोगे साइन दिए हैं नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट. सो इट शोज द डायरेक्शन. आंसर ए इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Starting from the first letter, strike out the every alternate letter in the given options and select the one that give the name of the carnivores. So carnivores means मांसाहारी, जो फ्लेज को खाते हैं. ओके. सो हम लोगों को फर्स्ट जो लेटर है उसको काटना है, स्ट्राइक करना है, एंड जो रिमेनिंग लेटर है उसके बेस पे सेलेक्ट करना है कि विच ऑप्शन शोज द कार्निवोरस. So first में if you will be check, if you will be strike like that, so first में bear. So bear is not a carnivorous, it is omnivorous. Second में if you will be see, it's showing a TIGER. Okay. So TIGER, tiger is carnivorous. So answer B is correct. In C, if you will be see, it's showing giraffe. Giraffe is herbivorous. And in D, it's showing a deer. Deer also again herbivorous. So answer B is correct. Question number 19. Jagat is the son of Arti's brother. Arti is Jagat's. So means Jagat is the son of Arti's brother. Means Arti के ब्रदर का सन है जगत. सो मीन्स आरती जगत की क्या रिलेशन में लगेंगे. सो शी विल बी एंड. ओके, आंसर बी इज करेक्ट. Question number 20. Select the incorrect statement about the animal shown in the given picture. So this is crocodile. So we have to select the incorrect option. So it lays eggs. So this is correct. It can live both on the land and water. This is also correct because crocodile can live on the land and the water. It eats flesh of other animals. So this is also correct because it's a carnivorous. Okay, it is the largest animal in the world. So this is wrong. So largest animal is whale fish. So answer D is correct. Question number 21. Select the odd one out on the basis of source of food. So this is chicken. Okay, so this we receive from the hen. This is chapati, we received from the grain. This is honey, we received from the insect. And this is egg, we received from the hen. So odd one out. All these are received from the A, C and D from the animal, and this received from the plant. So answer B is correct. Question number 22. Select the correct match of the type of houses and the material that can be used to build it. Okay, so tent, nylon sheet, yes, because tent is we use the nylon sheet to make a tent. Hut, we use the straw. This is also correct. Bungalow, we use the bricks. This is also correct. So all of these answer is correct. Question number 23. Few items are shown in the given picture. Select the option that correctly identifies the ones that help us to stay clean. मीन्स हम लोगों को इन गिवन फिगर में से ऐसे फिगर चूज करने हैं जो कि हम लोगों को क्लीन रखते हैं. So this is comb, this is correct. This is soap, this is also correct. This is pen, this do not help to stay clean. This is towel, this is also help us to stay clean. And this is wash, this do not help. So answer first, second, fourth correct. So answer B is right. Question number 24. Refer to the given table and select the option that could be correctly placed at X. So कौन सा ऑप्शन चूज करना है हमको जो कि X की जगह हम रख सकते हैं. लाइक लैंड फॉर्म एंड एग्जाम्पल. हिल, शिवालिक हिल्स इज द एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. डेजर्ट में वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट द एग्जाम्पल विच इज करेक्ट. वैली is Kashmir Valley, so that this is correct. Kashmir Ghati, that is also correct. So Thar is the desert, this answer is correct. If you will see the Andaman, this is island, so this is not correct. Everest is again, Everest and Himalaya again come under the category of hills, so this is also wrong. So answer A is correct. Question number 25. When someone stand facing the setting sun, okay, the direction toward his back will be. So setting sun means the face is setting sun, means sunset done in west, so face is west side. So in the question it is asking for the back side of this, so means the face is west, so back side will be east. So answer C is correct. Question number 26. Which of the following figures correctly shows the movement of water in the plant? So बच्चों please remember that food is made by leaves. So food transfer from leaf to root through the stem. So the direction would be from upper side to down side. But mineral and water is absorbed by the root, and both the things transfer from root to other part of the plant through the stem. So all the arrows should be upside because it's asking for water, movement of water. So here you will see it's showing a downside. This is wrong. It showing upper and down. If you will see, so this is wrong. It's showing upper and down. This is also wrong. Here you will see all the arrows are showing upper side. So answer A is correct. Question number 27. Which of the following is not a hard rock? मीन्स कौन सी ऐसी रॉक है जो कि हार्ड नहीं है? ग्रेनाइट जो किचन में यूज करते हैं, मार्बल्स हमारे फ्लोर के लिए यूज करते हैं, ऑल आर हार्ड. बट चाक की इफ यू विल सी वी यूज फॉर द दिस राइटिंग के लिए ब्लैक बोर्ड पे यूज करते हैं. दिस इज सॉफ्ट एक्चुअली, नॉट हार्ड. सो आंसर बी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. एक्स इज द फारेस्ट प्लेनेट फ्रॉम द सन इन और सोलर सिस्टम. सो सबसे फारेस्ट प्लेनेट है वो है नेपच्यून. सबसे पास है वो है मार्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. नेहा लिव्स इन ए प्लेस वेयर इट फ्लड्स a lot. Is the type of house commonly found? सो नेहा ऐसी जगह रहती है जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लड बाढ़ आती है. ओके, तो कैसे घर में रहेगी वो? सो इग्नू नहीं, इग्नू आइस की जगह. टेंट इज ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर द फ्लड एरिया. कार्बन इज ऑल्सो नॉट सुटेबल. स्टिल्ट हाउस मीन्स जो बैम्बूज पे बनते हैं उन हाउस के अंदर. सो स्टिल्ट बी आंसर इज करेक्ट. Question number 30. Trunk is the name of use for of the tree. So trunk basically we use for the stem, main part which provide the support to plant. So answer A is correct. Now the achiever section. This is most important. Every time I discuss for securing a rank because each question is for the 2 marks. So question number 31. Select the option that correctly arrange the vehicle in increase order of the number of wheels. So increase order, बढ़ते हुए क्रम में हमको लगाना है based on the wheel. So ऑटो में if you will see 3, बाइसिकल में 2, so this is wrong. बस में 4, this is wrong because this is there is no pattern of increasing order. बस में 4, कार में 4, so ट्रेन में मल्टीपल. This is also not an increasing order. बाइसिकल 2, auto rickshaw 3, car 4. So this is correct increasing order. Refer to the given family tree of the Nitya and select the option that correctly identifies the relationship between Harshit and Nitya. So सबसे पहले हर्षित, here is the Harshit and Nitya is here. So एक ही रो में जो भी है these are common for relation like Harshita, this Sana and Mohit and Priya all are the brother. Okay, and his parents are Suresh and Mahima. So they are asking for the relation between the Harshit and Nitya. So this shows this man and this shows around circle shows woman. So it will be this will be a relation of Nitya Harshit niece. Okay, बहुत easy. Okay. Question number 34. Refer to the given word grid and answer the following questions. Okay. Now question number 34. Which of the following not hidden? Okay, not hidden in the given word grid. Option A, organ that controls the function of our body. So first आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि the organ which control the function of our body organ is brain. Okay, then organ that help to supply oxygen to बॉडी पार्ट्स. सो जब ऑक्सीजन की बात आती है, सप्लाई करते हैं, वो ब्लड के थ्रू होता है और वो काम हार्ट करता है. एंड ऑर्गन दैट चर्न एंड डाइजेस्ट फूड, वो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में स्टोमक का काम है. चर्न एंड एब्जॉर्ब, डाइजेस्ट करता है स्टोमक. एंड ऑर्गन दैट हेल्प अस टू ब्रीथ, ब्रीथ के लिए लंग्स करता है. ओके, सो अभी ब्रेन वी हैव टू सर्च फर्स्ट. इसका सबसे अच्छा तरीका है कि पहले हम ब्रेन इधर चेक करते हैं रोज में. सो बी फॉर ब्रेन, नो. ओके, एंड हियर यू विल बी सी बी brain, no. Here you will see brain is available, so this is not correct. Organ that help us to supply oxygen to heart, here you will be see heart. Okay, no, here in the column heart is available. Organ that help us to breathe, so lungs. So L जितने भी है उनको चेक करना है. L lungs is there, so means answer C is correct. Young one of which of the following animals is hidden in the given word. So young animal means बच्चा किस एनिमल का बच्चा है. इस ग्रिड के अंदर हमको नाम ढूंढना है. तो गॉट, शिप, हॉर्स एंड डक. सो शिप का इफ यू विल सी is known as the lamb. Okay, and lamb is available here, L-A-M-B, lamb. So answer C is correct. So this is all about the NSO class 2nd to 2022-23 paper. Okay, thank you so much friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you are new, and hit the bell icon for the notification. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.